Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different. I've actually not filmed a video like this in many months. That's because today's video is going to be a get ready with me morning edition. So this is going to be a full morning get ready with me. We're doing skincare, we're doing makeup, we're doing hair. If you can't see, I'm looking a bit more glam this morning. Basically, I have to go back to work very soon in September, and because I've just not done like a full morning thing in so long, I wanted to practice to see, one, that I can still do it, and two, that it won't take me 10 years to get ready in the morning, especially because my skincare routine has definitely changed over lockdown, and because I've not worn makeup, I don't know if my skincare works with my makeup that I have, so I really just wanted to test everything out before I end up eventually having to go back to work. Why I'm going back to work when we can work from home just as well, I've got no idea, but you know what? That's okay. I really thought I'd complain a lot more in this video, but surprisingly I did not. But I guess, you know, life is very unfair and the powers that be decide. But anyway, before I go off on one, also guys, I know I'm normally like a 10 joke. I just feel so nice. I don't know, I feel very nice. I feel like my old self, but just a bit more glam. I think it's the hair. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that I am rambling. My battery is dying and I need to get to work because it is 7:37. Also guys, the things that you do for content, I literally woke up at 6:30 this morning. No, that's a lie. I woke up at like 6:14 this morning, and you think my lockdown alarm normally goes off at 7. So you just think I woke up 45 minutes early just to film a video. The things we do for content. Anyway, because it is late and I need to get to work, I need to stop rambling. Let me know what you think of this overall look, and I feel very excited. Who am I? But anyway, I'm rambling, which means it's time to go. So yes, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So it's literally 7 o'clock. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my toner. My alarm just went off. Oh wow, look at that, an instant glow. Love it. Love it. Okay. You know, let me just keep my dressing gown down like this. Okay, the next up, I'm going to use serum. If you watched my last video or my last couple of videos, then you'll know that right now I'm using the Glow Pop Vitamin ACE serum, and I love it. I just think it's such a great serum. It just completely smooths the skin, and I think it's really great because it gives a natural glow. I've not actually worn it like under makeup before, so I'll be quite interested to see how it fares under makeup. Actually, truth be told, I've not even done this skincare routine with makeup before, so I'm most intrigued to know how that will go throughout the day. Just concentrate on the dark spots, down the neck. Wow, we're really whizzing through this, I'm surprised. And then next I've got eye cream. I think definitely if you've watched my last video, then you'll just know everything that I'm doing because this was in my last video. Cool. Now that's in. I love how my face is just instantly so bright. I feel like I've been rushing all morning. I need to take a break suddenly. Okay, the next up, I've got my face cream, my LMS face cream. I'm still waiting for QVC to come out with their offer. QVC, I need cream. Now that we're going back to work, I won't be able to afford as much because I have to spend all my money on travel. My skin feels so smooth these days. Definitely the serum, although it feels weird just doing one serum because it feels like I should be doing like 2 or 3. So it always feels very incomplete. But also guys, I forgot to mention, so I'm wearing my bonnet. This is my curly care silk bonnet. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It's so big. It's quite spacious actually. Right now I've got my hair in plaits, so it really fits quite well, but over the weekend when I had my hair out for wash day, it fit all of my hair in there. There was still a lot of space, so definitely if you have curly hair, like shoulder length curly hair, then your hair will definitely fit into this. Okay, what is next? Oh wow, I kind of feel like we're done with the skincare, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some sunscreen first. I think normally I would let my sunscreen sit for a little bit, but I'm going to whack it on first because I've not used makeup with the sunscreen before. I don't know how the makeup is going to go on the top, so I want to give the sunscreen as much time as possible to just settle and even out on the face. Also, guys, this sunscreen is on its last legs. Literally, you can see there's literally nothing left. But what I didn't know was that this sunscreen was such a like such a holy grail. If I'd have known, I would have bought like 2 of these. Literally, there's not enough sunscreen. So I definitely need to find a new sunscreen. If you have any sunscreen recommendations, let your girl know, because this sunscreen is finished. I just love it. It just went on so like effortlessly. It evens out really nicely. It's very smooth. It's powdery smooth. I know that some people have had like breakouts and stuff, but this hasn't broken me out. Doesn't make me ashy or anything. You can see I'm just a more glowy version of what I was before I put it on. So this is for sure an important product. Okay, so now that that's done, while I wait for everything to settle in, I'm going to get dressed quickly, and then when I come back, I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have just gotten dressed. Whew, didn't really take as long as I thought it would take. This is pretty much what I was wearing in my heat wave video, but you know, it's comfy. While we're at home, I want to make the most of being able to dress however I want to dress. So I love this Lola set. I love the Lola set because it's very versatile. You can wear it on the weekend, you can wear it during the week. I love it, and everything looks really good. And I've paired I think this is the blush, just with a Uniqlo vest. I like to mix and match. It's like high-low, and I love like the green and the pink, nice contrasting colours. In one of my early lockdown get ready with me videos, I was talking about the weird colour combinations, and I think this is the combination that I wouldn't normally have looked at or thought about, but I quite like it. Okay, so now on to makeup. I've not done makeup on camera in so long, but anyway. So now onto makeup. Actually, let me just quickly look at the time. So it's 7:10. Wow, okay. I'm doing really well for time. So makeup, I've got my NYX Born to Glow foundation in Sienna. I've got some videos on this foundation. It took me so long to find it, and this is honestly the best foundation I've ever used, ever. It's really great. Color matches perfectly, and the texture is really nice. And then I've got some mascara. I actually want to use my RODIAL mascara, but I have no idea where that is. So I might have a quick rummage for the mascara and then try that out in this video. Okay, so the foundation, normally what I would do with foundation, if you watch any of my old makeup videos, is I would have a sponge and I would have a lot on my hand and I would just like dab it on. But I just want to go for a light coverage. I think since my dark spots have lightened up significantly, I feel less of a need to like really cover my whole face. So I just want to do a really light covering of this instead of like the full face I would normally do. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a good old tap. Taparoo. Okay, so that's actually really tiny, but I really don't want a lot. I just want like a really small bit, and because I'm just gonna like put it on with my hands, with my fingers. I actually think it's a tad too light just because I've tanned quite a lot over the last couple of weeks. I've not done makeup with my fingers in so long. So that clearly is not enough. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on. This could be too much. I think for sure a sponge would give me better coverage. I think with a liquid foundation, a sponge is just more accurate. Oh god, that does not look good at all. I already can't wait to take this off. Although I must say that my face doesn't feel super congested. Like my face feels quite breathable. Nothing is pilling as of yet. Let me just bring this down my neck so that we match a bit more. Even though I'm only going to be in the house, so it doesn't matter if I don't match. Oh wow, do you know what? That's come out quite nice. My hands, on the other hand, my hands tell a different story, but I feel like a child. Let me just wipe this. Okay. So foundation is on. It's so light coverage. I didn't really put on a lot at all, and there's not really much of a difference in my face. Okay, so I'm gonna let that settle in. I found my RODIAL box that's unopened. Also, I don't know if I announced it here on this channel officially, but I'm not buying skincare at the moment. Probably not for a couple of weeks, months, because I've got so much skincare. I recently bought some drawers because I already knew I had a lot of excess skincare, and I wanted to put the skincare somewhere because right now that skincare is just in boxes, but even all of that skincare doesn't fit into the drawers. And then I also discovered so much extra skincare that I didn't even know that I had. So I'd actually bought my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Serum many months ago, but then I bought another one not knowing that I'd bought that previous one. So I'm just like, one in, one out. If you finish a product and you don't have it again, then you can buy again. It's not a ban so much. I think I just... No, it is a ban. But anyway, enough blabbing. So I've got my RODIAL XXL mascara. This is the Extreme Lash Maximizer, and if you watched my RODIAL unboxing video from a couple months back, then you will know all about this. This was part of the Lorna Luxe RODIAL Beauty Box collab, and you can see I've got the whole bag here. I've really not done anything with it at all. So that's also on the list of things that I need to deal with. Okay, so I've got this mascara. I'm quite nervous because it's not black. It's brown. No, I'm sorry. I don't know if you can see. It's brown. It literally looks brown. But anyway, do you know what? I need mascara, so I'm not gonna fuss. Okay, I'm going in. I mean, this mascara I don't think is for me, but I'm glad I didn't pay £29 for it. What is this? It's so like... This is just with one coat on. That's just one coat. I'm gonna go in again, obviously, because I can't just have the one coat. It looked like my eyebrows have gone missing. Upon the second go, I think it's getting a bit to how I like it. Okie dokie, guys. So these are my eyes. Let me come in a bit closer. Do you know what? Honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, there's a fly. Why are there always flies in the summer? It's gross. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. It's a bit light. I don't know. We'll have to see. I think maybe just I've not worn mascara in so long, so I don't even know how it's supposed to show up. But do you know what? I'm gonna need some time with this. Yeah, I'm gonna need some time to decide my thoughts on this because I'm very undecided. Okay, what's the time? Eek! Okay, so it's 24 past. So I've not worn blush in the longest time. I couldn't decide what blush to wear. So I've got two from Glossier, if you remember back when I used to wear makeup. These two are my favourite blushes. Absolutely obsessed with these. It's funny because even though Haze is quite bright, it goes on quite naturally. I'm not sure. Do you know what? Let's go with Storm because it looks a bit darker. I'm just going to put on the tiniest bit because a little does go quite a long way. I feel like I've put on just too much. Yeah, I've put on way too much. But what I like to do when I put on too much is I just put it on my chin and on my forehead just for a bit of a colour contour type thing. You see, this is quite natural, but this one is Storm and I think this is great. If you've got dark skin like me, it's very natural. I've put on a lot and then I basically just like dab it all over myself because I don't know what to do with it. And I just kind of like dab it in this general area. I think if I was properly going to work, I'd look a lot closer at where I've put it on, but I'm only staying at home and hopefully my family won't judge me too much. They'll probably be like, why are you wearing makeup? Oh, do you know what? That's come up. Ooh. Do you know what? I think because my camera is so far, but looking at my face, I actually look very nice. Not gonna lie. Okay. Cute. Okay. Let's do a close up. Very impressed with that. Okay, so what is the time? Like every minute we get closer to having to go. Do you know what? I really love this. I actually miss wearing makeup and I don't want to go back to work, but if it means I can look like this more often. Actually, no. There's no excuse to go back in a pandemic. Anyway, Okay, so let me finish getting ready and then I will be right back. Okay, so my 7:30 alarm just went off, so that's how I know it's time for me to wrap up this video. I need to get a brush. I want to get like a curling wand or something just to do something to the hair. I mean, I prefer it straight, but it's nice to do the odd thing with it. Put on some lip balm. I'm still with my nubby lip balm and it actually hurts to use now, but I don't care. Anyway, I need to hurry up so I can get to work. Cool. Okay, gang. And then as always, I've got my scrunchie, my curly care scrunchie, but I'm just going to keep it on my wrist for the time being. And voila! Or voila, as Audrey from The Receipts podcast says. I am finished. This is the final look. What do we think? I have honestly not worn makeup like to work in so long, or like literally for the whole day, but I'm gonna wear this for the whole day, and then I'm actually gonna film a video this evening which will probably come out next week or in a couple of days, so you can see how this look lasted for the whole day, and I'll probably blab some more on that one. But as it's 7:32 and I need to get to work I'm gonna just end this video here. Let me know what you think of this look. It's very simple, and this is actually my everyday makeup look. It's like a simple natural glam. Now that I see everything together, I'm not mad at the mascara, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm probably going to film another video with this mascara once I've had more time to think about my thoughts on it. But yeah, this is the final look. This is what I'm wearing to work today. I'm still working from home for now. Also, this is new hair. I feel like I've not spoken about this hair. I got this from my first wig. It's so natural looking, and it literally looks like my hair. I feel like if I was actually to straighten my natural hair, this is for sure the length it would be, because when I've pulled out my hair, you see it's literally like almost at the boob. But yeah, I'm rambling. Okay, so yes, so that was my get ready with me for work morning skincare and makeup routine video. Let me know if you are back in the office. Let me know. I need some support at this point. So if you're back at work in a physical office and you're no longer working from home, and so your whole routine has been like blown up and kind of messed up, please let me know in the comments. Please console me. I need to know that I'm not alone. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.